Now let's learn how to add app lock to your apps. We can lock our mobile applications. Let's learn how to add app locks. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page and go to apps option. In here, click on app lock option. Click on turn on. You can draw a app lock. Now I type like this pattern. You want to draw this pattern again and click on next button. If you like to sign in your Xiaomi account, you can add your Xiaomi account. Now I'm not going to add it. In here you can select applications you want to add app lock. Now I unselect all and click on use app lock button. Okay, in here you can see your mobile installed all applications. If you want to enable app lock, you can turn on this enable button. One more settings you want to enable, click on this settings icon on top right corner and click on this lock settings option. You want to select this second option, when device is locked or after exit tab. You should want to enable this option. After you can select your application you want to enable app lock. Now I enable app lock to my gallery application. Now let's check gallery. Now I open gallery application. You can see the app lock application already enabled. We want to draw our pattern. If we draw a wrong pattern, the application will not open. You can see. In this method, you can add app lock on your all applications as you like. You can hide application notifications. Let's learn how to hide this. Again, go to settings and go to apps. Click on app lock option. You want to draw your app lock pattern. Click on the settings icon on top right corner. Click on this hide notification content option. Now I enable this gallery option. Now we cannot see notification on this gallery. You can enable this feature your WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger or any other application.